my channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about an small Android project which is a music player. This is a small music player and you can start with this music player for better project or any other. Okay, so basically this is the first project related a music player, and I also provide the source code in my GitHub account, so you can access the code as well. Okay, so now let's start the video. In this project we are going to work with media player. Okay, and at first, so we have to run the Android Studio and let's create a new project. Let's go to Android Studio. Okay, now let's create a new project. New, we are creating a empty activity. Okay, next, and here we have to give our project name. Let's take a name, music player, and you can choose here the package name. You can change the package name. You can also change the file location or project location here from here by pressing here. Okay, and next we are creating this project using Java, not Kotlin, and minimum SDK 5.0, and now all are done and finish. So our project created successfully, and now the Gradle wheel is running. It take some time to build the project. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, our Gradle build finished. It take some time, but that's okay. So now let's go to the design part, which is activity main.xml. So this is a hello world. When we created any project, then Android Studio give us this hello world. Okay, but we don't need this, so delete this. At first we need a image, okay, which indicate the music icon. Okay, and then we need a seek bar to control the music, and also we need a button to play and pause the music. Also we need a music which will play in this application. Let's download a picture. Go to Chrome and download a PNG file, music player PNG photo. Okay, no, we need this type of icon, music icon. Okay, finally I download a file which is this, and this icon is OP. Now let's copy it, copy, and let's go to our Android Studio, go to res file, go to drawable and paste it here. Just paste it here. Okay, let's take the name picture. Okay, so I think the name will be in small letter. Okay, pic sit. Okay, now all done, and here is our image. After that, let's create the design. We need an image view, drag and drop here, and here we can choose the music, and this is our photo. Click OK, and that's our image. Let's resize it as our need. I think this will okay, because this is a constant layout, we have to constant the image. So let's constant horizontally and vertical. We need this upper, and let's make this okay. So now the picture is in its position. Let's take it. After that, we need a seek bar, okay, which help us to seek the music or go through anywhere in the music, okay. So the seek bar will be here, okay. This is the seek bar, and let's drag and drop it here, and also we need to constrain it because this is a constant layout, and this width को हम लोग मैच मैच पैरेंट कर देंगे, ओके. एंड इधर ATP करके, okay. Now this is looking good, and let's constant it here, okay, and also constant it here. We take this here for better look, okay. Now the constant is done, and at last we need a button to control the music, to play and pause. So here is the button, drag and drop it here, also constrain it horizontally and vertically, okay. Okay, so our design is ready, because this is a basic project, so that is okay. And this is a sequer. Let's ID sequer, okay, that's okay. And this is the button. It's let's play and pause, and pause button, okay. The ID is place pause button, and take the name. The button text will be play, okay. Or okay. So our layout design was completed, and at first let's take a look. Let's run this and take a look. I am using my mobile to run the application. So the gradle build is running. After that, when the build is completed, the app will be installed, and we can see the layout, okay. So now let's wait. And installed successfully, and this is the layout, okay. This is looking good, okay. So if we hide the status bar, then it will look much more better. So let's hide the status bar. Let's go to main activity, and let's write down some code to hide the status bar, okay. So if get support action bar not is equal to null, get support action bar dot hide, okay. So this is the code to hide the status bar, and let's again run this and see this code will work or not. Installing, and okay, our status bar has gone, the code is working, okay. Now let's declare the sequer and the button. Private, at first sequer, the id is sequer, and private button, the button id is play and pause button. Copy it and paste it here. Now let's find view the seek and button. So seek bar is equal to find view by id r dot id dot seek bar, sorry, id dot seek bar, and button play and pause button is equal to find view by id r dot id dot play and pause button. Okay, so for playing the music we need a media player. So private media player, let's take the name media player. Okay, so now create the media player. So media player is equal to media player dot create, इसका context होगा this, and वो इस फाइल का लोकेशन देना पड़ेगा. So at first we let's create a folder where our mp3 file stored. So let's create a android resource directory which will be a raw file directory. Okay, and this here we have to paste a music. Okay, we download a music from the browser, and let's music, let's copy it and paste it in the raw file directory. Okay, music. Okay, now we create the media player, and here we have to redirect the music. So r dot raw dot music, the media player will play the music. Okay, from the directory raw. So we created the media player. Now let's play the music without anything. So media player dot start, and let's run the application and see that the music is playing or not. Installing. Okay, you can hear. Okay, you can hear the music is playing, but the silver is not working. Also, the button is not working. So close the application, close the music. Now let's write down the code for the button. Okay, so play and pause button dot set on click listener, new uh, view dot on click listener. Okay, so if we click the button, so what will happen? We write down here. So if the music is playing, then we have to pause the music, and if the music is paused, then we have to play the music. This is the logic. So if media player dot is playing, if the music player is playing, so we have to pause the media player. Okay, so media player dot pause, and we need to set the button text as so play and pause button dot set text. हम लोग we set the text as, we write down that if the music is playing then pause. So here we have to write the play. Okay, otherwise if the else, and either else part may else music is paused, then we have to start the music. So media player dot start, and we have to set the button text as plays and button dot set text, which will be pause. Okay, okay, our button code is done. Now let's go to the seek bar part. From here we have to set the max value of the seek bar dot set max. So media player dot get duration. So मीडिया प्लेयर का जो ड्यूरेशन होगा वो हमारे सेट सीक बार का मैक्सिमम होगा. ओके, so this is the duration of the seek bar, and after that if we seek the seek bar, then the music will also parallelly seek. So seek bar dot set on seek bar change listener, new seek bar dot on seek bar change listener. Okay, we will get all the method on start tracking, on stop tracking, on progress. So at first we have to declare the set progress change as 0. Int seek bar progress change is equal to 0. We declare it here. Now after that we have to take the seek change value to the seek change process. Okay, so seek change process progress change is equal to progress, which is the seek progress. Now if we get any input from the user in seek then the progress will be changed. So if from user media player dot seek to progress, जितना प्रोग्रेस होगा उतना दूर तक हम लोग वो मीडिया प्लेयर को भेज देंगे, तो फिर वो म्यूजिक पैरेलली चेंज हो जाएगा. ओके, सो वी डन द प्रोग्रेस सीक्वर. इफ anyone user seek the seek bar, then the music is parallelly seek. Okay, after that we have to write down the code for update the seek bar time by time. Okay, so let's write down some code. So here we have to create a timer to update the seek bar. So new timer dot schedule at fixed rate, new timer task, and here we get the run method. So here we have to seek bar dot set progress media player dot get current position. Okay, here we get the current position and we have to update it by few sec. Here we have to delay and long period, which will be 90 milliseconds. Okay, so that's all about the music player. This is a small music player. I think this will work. Now let's run it. ग्रेडल बिल तो अच्छे बच्चे हो गए, बहुत जल्दी काम कर दिया ये. And our app is crashed. Okay, our app is crashed, but why? Let's find it. Okay, I think we have to take this here, otherwise the media player is not. We have to take this here because the music player media player is not created. Okay, I think now it will work. Yes, our app is launched successfully. Now let's play it. Yes, it is working, and the silver also is working, and the progress is also working. And okay, so our problem is this line, because at first we have to create the media player, otherwise these all are not. Otherwise this error will occur. That's a simple. I I forget it, and that's all about the media player and the music player. After all, I will create this small project and upload this in my GitHub profile, and stay with you all, and you can contribute in my GitHub to change the feature or add some feature in the project. You can contribute. So our journey started from today, and we create this type of small project, at least 3 project in a week. Okay, and I will upload these all project to my GitHub profile. You can easily access the code and the project. Okay, so this is my plan. and let's carry this on. Yeah, so if you like this type of content, then you can like this video, also subscribe my channel and stay with me. I will provide you better content day by day, and that's all. So have a great day. See you soon. Bye.